Okay. Hi, good morning. So, our problem is about what is the next step in or how municipal sports programs can shape youth behavior in our town in Don Marcelino. So, in every afternoon in Don Marcelino, the barangay courts come alive with teenagers playing basketball, volleyball, and badminton, laughing, sweating, competing. But just a few steps away, many young people are facing a different reality: alcohol use, early pregnancy, school dropouts, and other risky behaviors that threaten their future. Research has long shown that sports can protect young people from this risk. In 2022, Wong and Velasco found that adolescents involved in structured sports programs are less likely to engage in substance use and more likely to develop discipline and positive peer relationships. But their study focused on urban, well-funded school programs, and that leads to a question that deeply matters for towns like ours. Do local government-led sports programs in rural municipalities create the same positive impact? Because here in Don Marcelino, we see the courts full, but we don't yet know whether sports are truly helping our youth make better choices. Wong and Velasco studies prove that sports can influence youth behavior, but their context is very different from ours. They did not explore how sports function in resource limited rural municipal settings where where facilities are uneven, coaches are mostly volunteers, programs vary by barangays, and many youths are at higher risk or higher social risk. And this is the gap my research will address. I propose to study how municipal sports programs in Don Marcelino influence youth behavior, especially in terms of substance use, school motivation, peer relationships, and discipline and self-control. Using surveys with athletes, focus group discussions with parents and coaches, and observations during municipal leagues and clinics, my study will identify what works, what doesn't, and why. And this is not just about counting participants. It is about understanding behavior change. If successful, this research will give Don Marcelino something it has never had before: evidence-based guidance on how to design sports programs that truly shape youth behavior. Municipal leaders will gain insights to improve policies and budgets. Coaches will know which strategic build resilience and discipline. Parents will understand how sports protect their children. And most importantly, our young people, especially those in high-risk barangays, will have access to programs that meaningfully support their growth. And this study can serve as a model for the rural municipalities across Davao Occidental, showing that sports are not just games, they are prevention tools, safe spaces, and pathways to a better future. And my vision is simple: a Don Marcelino where every youth finds guidance, character, and hope on the court, not risk on the streets. That's all. Thank you.